Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to create an ad campaign based around the idea of healthy lifestyle and fitness. The idea for this campaign will be called Get Moving. Now this campaign will be targeted at people the ages of 20 and up, and will focus on being able to do things to keep yourself happy, active, and healthy. So for this ad campaign, I want my approach to the ads to be creative, clean, and modern. I'm going to be creating a logo for this campaign, as well as one out-of-home ad, a social media ad, and maybe one more thing. We'll see. Who knows? So I'm going to start by creating a mood board that sort of pulls together a bunch of creative ideas and colors and designs that I think will suit well for these ads. So why don't we just head on and start doing that right now. So here we are, I have one of my mood boards set up, and yeah, as you can see, it's red. And there's a couple of designs here that I really like. Let's go with this one first. This one is a stream graphic. It is made by, who is it made by? Isabella Victoria. And as you can see, it's like very nice. The colors, the dark blue with the nice reddish pink go really well together, plus with the accent of the gold. It looks really nice. I really like the design and everything, all the lines, really good texturing. And well, good font choice. Maybe could have been different, but it works well for the most part. And yeah, so I really like that design, as well as this one here called Tipsy. This, I believe, is a bottle design, an ad, and just the whole aesthetic of this one. It just looks like graffiti. It's very sketch and sort of grungy and textury. And again, the feel of it is very, very nice. As you can see, the little goofy GIF over here. Very nice, funny, playful. Like these simple ads, cheese, it's sort of up my alley. I really like this, as well as you got this, whatever it is, multiple owners. I don't know what this is. Like a brochure? Is this like a whole like thing? Why aren't they loading? Oh, they're there. Okay, so you have like all these little cool ads. Again, I like the colors, I like the big contrast. It's kind of eye-catching, you know, to a certain degree, but it is what it is. It's a nice little ad, and again, I do like the very bright colors and whatnot. Here's a little package or pamphlet. Again, more decals and designs, some more flyers as well, and a little animation. Really like that one. And then on to the last one, again, for the whole texturing of what I really want to go with. Is I want to go with like this sort of sketch, sort of stipple line effect, and as well as the, you know, the just outline text. This whole advertisement just looks sick, and I love it, especially mixing with the colors. If it wants to load, well, load. There we go. Okay. So here we have it. We have some Akira art. It's really nice. Everything's so clean about it. This logo is brilliant. Raven, and then just the subtle, like, oh man, it's so nice. And yeah, so this is what I really want to go with. Also, this is by Lucas. And yeah, so let's just hop into mocking some stuff up. Alright, so here's the work that I've done so far. I've created the logo, as well as, you know, chose the font and the color. So basically what I have here is Get Moving, also Get Moving, Get Active, the little tagline that might come with it. I might change that in the future a bit, we'll see. But to go on to the actual text itself, we got Get Moving here, and it's what is this? This is new has grotesque, and this is, I believe, the black italic, yeah. And it's a nice big bold font. It's really nice. I like it. I kerned it a bit, made it a bit closer in, and then yeah, it's just really nice. I like it. It's I think it'll suit it pretty well. And then over here we got the logo. It's sort of like a wheel turning. It sort of used the negative space to make a wheel-like thing, you know. Wheels always moving, get the wheel rolling, sort of thing. And then yeah, these are the colors I chose. Got a nice beige, a light cream, white-ish. And then a nice little bit of a dark red and a nice dark navy blue. I feel like these will all go pretty well together. And if I open up, let me get it out here. Let me select this one. As you can see, it passes all the, color contrasts and accessibility features, so it's easy to see at large text and at small text, and also when it's enhanced as well. But yeah, that's that. The red is a bit, I was testing out with texturing with the line work. The red is a bit daunting. It really is sort of hard on the eyes, so I might just stick with the beige for the line work. But other than that, I think the red does match with the navy blue pretty well. And here we have some logo examples. So here we have on the red background, again the navy blue against it, also the creamish white on that red background, and then also with the cream and red on the navy. And I think this works better. I don't think the red can be good. It's too bright and aggressive to be the main background, so I'm gonna have the navy with the accents of red and white, and I think that will work really well. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna get into designing and making stuff because I think I'm pretty set now. So I'm gonna head into it right now. So here you have it. Here's my out of home piece. Unfortunately, the recording failed on me and didn't save, so that's a shame. But here it is anyway. It's a done product. Yeah, so with this one, again, I wanted to, like I said earlier, keep in the same feel of having the reds and blues, and then also having that whitish cream to pop. Here we have this person doing an exercise, and again, just sort of advertising that, get moving, get fit, and stuff like that. Again, design-wise, I wanted to keep it that nice little darkroom, picturesque theme, and yeah, so that's what I went with, and let's move on to the next one. Okay, so here we have the poster design, and again, with this poster design, I wanted to, keep that red and blue feeling, as well as make that that sort of whitish peach, whatever it is, pop out. And yeah, I think I did a really nice job with it. I used those lines that I wanted to, really sort of getting the feel of sort of, like a red room type feel, or a dark room. Where like you go to develop photos and everything's all, that's what I was going for. So that's what I hit. I think I did a pretty good job, and now I'm gonna move on to the next one. Okay, so I just completed the social media posts, and I think I like them so far. This one here, you got the woman stretching, obviously, get moving. You gotta limber up, lumber up, and really, get those arms going, get those stretches in, and yeah, I wanted to depict that as well as with the get moving. And then also, I had this woman doing yoga, and I thought it was a cool pose. Thought it would be a really good composition for a social media ad, and I just added it in there, and again, going along with the theme, and I'm pretty sure so it's going along with the theme, and I am loving where this theme is actually headed. So I can't wait to see all the final products together in this whole campaign. Alright everyone, as you can see on the screen right now, there are the final designs. Scrolling across the screen right now, they all look fantastic. I love the look of them, and I honestly think I did a good job. If you guys liked this video, don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And if you really liked it, I don't know, subscribe again. Who knows? Unsubscribe and subscribe again. But yeah, so yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna upload again some other time. But until next time, I'll see you.